Welcome. Today I am with Gigabyte Aorus Fi27Q and I want to show you how we can change contrast level on this device. And so the first we have to go under this LED indicator and we'll find the button that we have to click once. When you make it, you will get this menu. So for sure we have to enter for the settings and then scroll to the picture mode. Go for the right side. Right here you can find a few different presets. For example, let's stay on the standard, go for the right side, scroll to the contrast and go for the right side another time to adjust the contrast level. You can decrease or increase the contrast level on this device. Just like that. I'm gonna stay with the 60 and I can go back. Okay, so as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.